I just wanted to quickly come on and like talk about something. Oh my gosh, I'm emotional right now. I don't like to cry on like video and stuff because I get all like puffy and like cry ugly. But like I promised myself that like this year I would be like very real with you guys and like very like vulnerable, because I feel like it helps a lot of people when you're real and vulnerable. And I've gotten so many sweet messages about like this one TikTok that I posted. If you guys want to see it, I'll post it down below, about like my mental journey from like last year to now. And it's like such a huge change, but I still do have my times where I'm like, you know, kind of like not feeling so hot still. But like, you know, like healing is a very like non-linear process. It goes like up and down, up and down. Oh my gosh, I'm like really pale right now because it's winter, so like my face gets all like blushed up when I'm crying. But oh my goodness, there's just like, I feel like some of you will understand what I mean by this, but there's just something about you feeling like anxious and then you getting that one sweet message from someone that you care about, telling you like that they're thinking about you, or that like they wish that they could come and hold you, or like, you know, like something like that. Oh my gosh, not me like nervously holding on to my hoodie, but like there's just something about knowing that someone is there that helps. So I just wanted to give you guys like the knowledge that even if like you don't have a best friend, or you don't have like a significant other, or you don't have like family, or you know, you don't really have anyone to talk to, or you feel like you don't really have anyone to talk to, that you guys can always talk to me. Or like if you're too shy to talk to me, like you can take this video as if I'm speaking to you directly if you're going through something. I recently just had one of my followers that I've been like, you know, friends with for a very long time talk to me about something that had just happened to them that was very like detrimental to them, like literally just yesterday. And you know, like she just like ranted to me and like sent me so many audios, and I was there to like listen. And I don't know, like she just told me that I made her feel better, and that like it helped because she doesn't personally have like somebody that she can go to, like a best friend. And you know, sometimes you don't want to go to family because sometimes like you just don't want to hear family's opinions because they, I don't know. But I just want to let you guys know that I am here, and if you know I do get the opportunity to help some of you guys, then I will. Hopefully this video just does help you guys, but I don't know if any of this made any sense, to be quite honest with you. But I just felt like this huge wave of emotion, and I was listening to Not Happier Than Ever by Billy. I also love that song though, but What Was I Made For by Billy, and something about that music video just makes me feel something so deep. Like it just kind of like sends me back into like certain moments of my life, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you know. And like I don't want to cry again, but it just sends me into like this spiral. But then sometimes it sends me into like a positive, like happy spiral, like a happy type of emotion, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I've came so far. But sometimes I like get sent back into, you know when you like have like a song that you listen to like over and over again when you're not feeling your best, and it just kind of like sends you either into a positive spiral in a good way, or you know, like a little negative one. Does that make any sense? I have a mess in my house right now. I'm in some comfy clothes though. I don't have BB here. I'm sad, guys. I don't know. This vlog is gonna kind of be a little bit everywhere because I just wanted to pick up the camera and be like, y'all, this is life. And I'm gonna save this clip for the next time I'm kind of feeling like a little emotional, so this can just be like a compiled mental health little video. But I'm hoping that maybe this will help some of you guys.
Thousands of tears later.
So guys, I'm in the midst of doing my base makeup before I get into a makeup tutorial today. Oh, it's a review on the ColourPop Valentine's Day collection. I've been a little emotional, and I wanted to continue my thoughts from the previous clip. It's been about, I want to say like a weekish, and a lot of things have happened in that time frame. And not gonna lie, I was crying. Don't worry about this, it's gonna match. It's already like getting there. I was already crying before filming this. I was like, oh Lord. And then I thought it would be a good idea, since I'm not filming the base part of this tutorial, going through a lot of things, and it's just not been fun. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I feel like a lot of people are going through things right now, and if you're watching this and you've also been feeling like in a rut, or if you've been feeling unmotivated, or you've been feeling like just helpless and hopeless and all of this, this was meant for you to be watching right now. It's a normal human experience, and just because someone else has something that's quote unquote worse, or like they have it worse than you, or whatever, it doesn't invalidate your feelings. And that has always been a pet peeve of mine, when people are like, oh well, like, why are you sad, like you're pretty? And I'm like, what? It doesn't mean that I'm not so sad right now. Like, just give me comfort. It has to be felt in order for you to move on and, you know, live life, breathe air. I know somehow we're gonna get there. Oh my gosh, I don't know. iCarly gets it. I haven't been having the best ways of coping with things recently, and honestly, I want to tell you that it's okay. Obviously, don't do anything reckless, but if you need to go out, you need to like put on a cute little skirt and a cute face and makeup, go and do that. Do things in moderation. I do want to say, you know, like, indulge in like fun things and like be wild, but like don't get yourself into more trouble than you already are in. I don't really know where I'm going with this, but I think we just needed to have a moment where we chat. Having feelings is okay, because sometimes we just are too hard on ourselves, and I'm tired of being hard on myself. The last couple years, I would be literally in my room rotting, and I'm not even trying to be funny. Like, I literally would be in my room rotting and just being sad and moping, and you know, because I was legit like so depressed. And thank God himself that he's gotten me out of that deep dark hole. Oh Lord, I don't know if this little boy can take it, but honestly, God has been helping me a lot. I hope this little ramble is, you guys are getting something out of it. By the way, y'all, I love this concealer. As you can tell, it's literally thin because there's almost nothing left, but this is the LA Girl concealer. You guys can use my code Aidette10. I talk about this all the time. I know, but it's in the shade Porcelain. I also use the other shade in the shade of Vanilla. But with all of that said, guys, I hope you have a great night, and if you got something out of this, I'm so happy, and I feel blessed to be able to relay this information to you. If you see someone in the elevator, smile at them. You don't even have to say a single word. A single smile could help someone. A single smile can go such a long way. Kindness goes such a long way. Do what you guys please with that information. Just do good. Bye guys.